Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn one shortcut trick which is very useful while you solve some questions based on complex numbers and where you have to find the maximum or minimum value, or I can say greatest or smallest value of a modulus. Okay, so for example, if I am given a question like this, so how to solve that? In just 5 seconds. Okay, I can solve this in just 5 seconds. So see, when you practice you'll do this. Okay, so first of all, see, we have to find the maximum and minimum value of this modulus. Okay, so my minimum value is and maximum value, now what it is, so here this should be must be, okay, this must be less than or equals to. So this is 1 minus something and 1 plus something. Okay, now what is this something something? So let's understand. So now I want this modulus and this is given to me. So mod z is given to me. Now to get mod z minus 3, I have to simply subtract 3 from this. So what I have to do, this if I represent this 3 as a plus ib form, this is what, minus 3 plus 0 I, right? So what I can say, the mod of this. So the mod of this is what? Mod of this is what? 9, square root of 9, which is just 3, correct? So I can say that 1 minus 3 and 1 plus 3. And now remember, I have to take mod of this also, okay, to get the modulus value. So basically what I'll get, this is 2 and here I'll get 4. So my answer, minimum and maximum, as they are saying, my answer is D. Okay. So see, once you get the practice, you can solve this in just 5 seconds. Okay, less than that in fact. So let's solve one more question. Okay, so here this value is given. We have to find the greatest and least value of this mod. Okay, so first of all, what we'll write, the mod which we are given. Okay, and what we want to find. So plus 1 we want. So I have to subtract 3 again from this. So I know that this 3, I can represent it as a plus ib form, as what, negative 3 plus 0 iota, and then what do I get? Modulus of this is just 3, correct? So my minimum value and maximum value, I know that minimum is 3. Again I have to take the modulus of that, remember this. So 3 minus 3, okay, which is 0, and the maximum is what, 3 plus 3, which is 6. So the greatest and least value is 6 3. Sorry, 6 0, right? This is 6 0. I hope you get that. Okay, all right. Now we have to find the greatest and least value of this, and this is given to us. So see, my greatest value and the least value is what, 9 plus something, and here 9 minus something. Again remember, we are talking about the modulus of each of them. Okay, now what is given, first of all I'll write that. Okay, z minus 5 minus 7 iota. Okay, this is given to me and I want this. So what I'll do, I'll just rewrite this as minus 5 minus 7 iota, and now as I need negative 2, so I'll just add 3. Okay, and I need negative 3 iota, so I'll just add 4 iota, correct? So basically I am adding this. So this is my a plus ib form, and the modulus of this is 5, as we know that square root of 3 square plus 4 square, I'll get 5 square, and the square root of that is 5. So basically I have to add 5 and subtract 5, so which gives me 14 and 4. So the greatest value is 14, the least value is 4, right? Okay, one more question. All right, I am given this. Now we want to find the greatest and the least value. Now again what we are given, so I'll just write this, z minus 2 plus iota, right? And I need just z, so I have to add plus 2 minus iota. So again this is my a plus ib form, a plus ib form, modulus of that I'll get 2 square plus 1 square and square root of that, which is nothing but square root of 5. So my greatest value is 2 plus root 5 and the smallest value is, see, remember that I need a modulus of this. So 2 minus square root of root 5, the mod of this. Okay. So yes, I got this answer. But hold on. Here they have given some both A and B. So I have to check with A also. Now how to do that? Okay. So you can take some approximate value also. So root 5 is approximately 2.24 or something, okay, or 42 maybe. And then if you add with 2, you will get 4 point something, and root 17 is also 4 point something that, and here also you will get 1 point something. So yes, I see when you do for competitive exam you can directly select A and B both, okay. But if you want to show how you are getting that, then I'll show you one more trick. So as we learn the modulus also, right? So what I can say, z minus 2 plus iota is less than or equals to 2. So I can write this as negative 2. I am removing the modulus. So I am writing this way, correct? And I'll get this way. So now I have to add 2 negative iota. So when I add 2 and negative iota for all of them, so what do I get? Here I'll get negative iota less than or equals to z less than or equals to, if I am adding this, so I'll get 4 minus iota, correct? And now if I'll consider the modulus of each of them, so mod of negative I less than or equals to mod of z less than or equals to mod of 4 minus iota, and this gives me what? Here I'll get 1, so this gives me 1 less than or equals to mod of z less than or equals to this. So I'll get this as root 17. So my answer is A also, the greatest and the least value. So what I can say, it is both A and B. So very important thing. Okay. So I hope you understood this trick. Okay. So just practice some questions your own and you will be pro of solving this type of questions. Alright. So yeah, one more question will do. Alright, let's solve one more, and I am waiting for you. Please write the question, write the answer quickly in the comment. Okay, so see, as I need just mod z, so I have to add 4 minus 3 iota. So I have to take the modulus of this, which is 5. So my answer is what? 2, okay, plus 5 or 2 minus 5 and mod of this. So I'll get 3 and 7. So my answer is 3 and 7. Right? See, I can do this mentally very quickly. If someone doesn't understand, I am just solving this again. So see, I have z minus 4 plus 3 iota, and to get just modulus of z, I have to add 4 minus 3 iota. So this is my A plus IB form, and I need the modulus of this. So what do I get? 4 square plus 3 square, and I'll get 5. So my maximum value is 2 plus something and minimum value is 2 minus something, and I have to take the modulus of this. Correct? So basically this is 5 and this is 5 here. The mod of this I'll get 7 and 3, right? So my answer is 3, 7, the option 1. Correct? Okay. Now this is for yourself. Okay, do it yourself and write the answer in the comment box. So I hope you understood this trick. Okay, practice more and more question, and if you are looking for some more tricks, please let me know. I am going to bring some more tricks which are really useful for competitive exams. Alright. Thanks for watching this video.